Okay, so the last video we covered about the importance of having an important LinkedIn profile. Now I'm going to cover how a LinkedIn profile's about me section is the most important part of your, I would say, landing page. All right. I have always followed a 3 paragraph rule. All right. It has helped me to find my first internship, my first job, my first investment conversation, and even my first client once I started this business. So, in this 3 paragraph rule for you about me, the first paragraph should always tell what you're doing currently. And after you've done that, connect it to the larger vision of your organization if you're a founder, or if you're working for someone else, connect it to their vision. This gives a brief intro of what you're currently doing and how you're creating an impact for someone else or yourself. Second paragraph, highlight your domain expertise by mentioning the brands you work with, large clients you work with, all kinds of numbers and figures that are relatable. So if you like work with Pepsi, Coca-Cola, some celebrities, some kind of marketing campaigns, whatever you've done, mention those. Along with that, if you have a large amount of experience or expertise in certain industry, like 20 years of experience in sales, 25 years of experience in IT, definitely mention that. Definitely mention that how you have been, in this industry for the longest time and contributed to its growth and know the hows and to-dos of that industry. Lastly, always in your third paragraph, always end with a personal hook, because people want to know what you do besides work. It can be as simple as getting a coffee. It can be like meeting for a tennis match, and leave a call to action as to where should they reach out to you. It can be through your website, a DM in the LinkedIn, or even your email ID. If you put in your email ID, you're showing a lot of trust, and trust me, you're going to get a lot of inbounds. So these are the basics you should always follow for your about me. We are in this age of information overload. Do not make it a monologue. Keep it short. Keep it only 3 paragraphs. Like I mentioned, para 1, para 2, para 3. And that should be more than enough for a nice optimized LinkedIn. Thank you for watching our video. Keep on subscribing.